Good morning, students. Again, welcome all of you in 10th class. We are solving the questions of third chapter, and in first and second lecture, we discussed first what is the definition of linear equation in two variables. Then we discussed different methods, and in detail now we are discussing one by one all the methods. First, we discussed substitution method. Then we discuss elimination method, and I told you that in most of the question we will focus on the elimination method. So in 3.3 first question it is written that solve this question by substitution. So we solve first and second part by substitution. Now it is your choice, rest of the part you can solve by any of the method, but I will suggest that you can apply the elimination method, because in future classes the most important method that you will use for solving the equations is elimination. So this is the second part. Here we are having these two equations. This is equation first, this is equation second. It is not given. So first step of elimination is, if question is in fraction, then you take LCM and remove the fraction. So we will take the LCM 6, then 6 divided by 3, 2 into S, 2S, 6 divided by 2, 3 into T, 3T. This 6 I can write 6 upon. Now cross multiply, 1 multiply by this value as it is, 6 into 6, 36. So by taking LCM we remove the fraction. Now we will make the coefficient of first variable same. Here coefficient of S is 2, here coefficient of S is 1. It is not given in the question. So it is 2, it is 1. So for making the coefficient of S same, we will multiply this equation by 2. So I will apply this sign of bracket and 2, it means we multiply complete equation by 2. So this is 2 into S, 2S, 2 into T, this is 2T, 2 into 3, 6. Then we will subtract equation first and second. Means we will subtract equation second from first. You can write like this. So 2s minus 2t equal to 6. Then this equation as it is we will write here. Then we will change the sign. First value always cancel out. So minus 2 minus 3, this is minus 5t. 6 minus 36, this is minus 30. Minus will cancel out. This 5 will divide. So here value of t is 6. This is the first answer. Now we will put this value of t in equation number first. So S as it is, in place of this t we will write the value 6, this minus sign as it is, equal to 3, this minus 6 will become plus. So second answer is 9. When we put this value in equation first, then we will neglect this, we will not see this, we will put value in original equation. Let us see one more part. This is the third part. Here this is first, this is second equation. Again this is not given in the question. So here coefficient of x is 9, here coefficient of x is 3. So to make the coefficient of x same, we will multiply this equation by 3 and then subtract 1 minus 2, means we will subtract second from first. So 3 into 3, 9x, 3 into minus y, minus 3y, 3 into 3, 9. This equation as it is, again we will change the sign, first value again cancel. In this question, by chance these three value cancel. In left we are having 0, in right again we are having 0. If these two values are same, then we can write that this is infinite many solutions. In first lecture we discussed no solution, infinite many solution and unique solution. So if you get one value of t, one value of s, or you can say one value of first variable, one value of second variable, this is unique solution. No need to write unique, it is understood. But if both value are same, then infinite many solution. In some of the question, these two value will be different. Suppose here is 0, here is 5, then these are not equal. Then in that case, we will write these equation have no solution. Now we will see one more part, one or two more part. Now let us see the fourth part. In fourth part, point is given. So first step, remove the point. You can write 2 upon 10x, 3 upon 10y, 13 upon 10. In the same way, 4 upon 10x, 5 upon 10y, 23 upon 10. Now this question is in fraction, so you can take the LCM. By taking LCM, these two values are same, then you can cancel out. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Here coefficient of x is 4, here coefficient of x is 2. So to make these two coefficient equal, we will multiply first equation by 2. And then we will subtract second from first. So 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into 3, 6y, 2 into 13, 26. Now we will write this equation as it is. Now we will change the sign. First value will cancel. 6 minus 5, this is 1 by 1, we will not write. 26 minus 23, this is 3. So first answer is y equal to 3. Now we will put y equal to 3 in this first equation. We will neglect this 2. No need of writing this 2. So we will write this equation. 2x as it is, 3 as it is. In place of y we will write 3. 13 as it is. So 3 into 3, 9. On this side it will become minus. So 2x equal to 4. X 4 upon 2. So value of x is 2. So in this way we can solve each and every part by using the elimination method. Again I am repeating because this is very important method. Okay, fifth part. Now this is first equation, this is second. Here extra point is that value are given in root. So here is root 2, here is root 3. If you are having some doubt that by which value we multiply to make the coefficient of x same, then simple step is this coefficient you will multiply in first equation and this coefficient you will multiply in second equation. So root 3 we will multiply here, root 2 we will multiply here and then subtract. So root 3 into root 2, root 6 already you studied in 9th class. Root 3 into root 3, this is 3 by root 3 into 0, 0. Root 2 into root 3, root 6x. Root 2 into root 8, this is root 16. 16 root is 4, so we'll write 4 by. Root 2 into 0, this is 0. Change the sign, this value always cancel. So 3 plus 4, this is 7 by. This is 0. So this 7 is multiply, on this side this will divide. So 0 upon 7, value of y is 0. Now we will put this value of y in first equation. So root 2x as it is, root 3 as it is. In place of this y, we will write 0 equal to 0. So root 2x as it is, this will become 0. So root 2x equal to 0, this root 2 will divide. So 0 upon root 2, this is 0. Again this method you can, by solving one or two more, but you will feel that this is very easy method. Now this is the last part of first question of exercise 3.3. Again question is given in fraction. So here you will take LCM and then you will solve by elimination method. This is your homework. You have to solve this only one part by yourself. So tomorrow we will discuss some more questions based upon this method.